The purpose of this screencast is to offer a very simple example that illustrates how live charts work in Docxpresso. A live chart is fed with Docxpresso variable data introduced by the end user or preloaded in the template. Whenever we introduce the data, the chart is automatically updated and it is exported to the resulting document. In this case, a PDF file. Notice that if a document is reopened for further edition, the provided data is preloaded in the chart as expected. But how all of this is achieved within Docxpresso? Like always, we should start with a Word document, introduce the chart that we want to become alive, and associate to it an alternative text that will help Docxpresso to recognize it like an interactive chart. Moreover, of course, we have to introduce some variable that will provide the data for the Docxpresso chart. Then we just save the document and upload it to Docxpresso. The system recognizes that there is an interactive chart and certain additional variables. We just save the template and parameterize it as follows. Just choose that the variable is a numeric variable, in this case expenses, and associate this pie chart to that particular variable. And that's it. Of course, you may use more complex charts like bars with categories and series, but we believe that this is enough for a brief introduction.